What is interesting is how the appearance of a car changes over the course of a body and paint project. In this short video, we review those color changes. With a little imagination, you could picture the car finished in a paint color very similar to each stage. The car started in General Motors Cameo white. This sequence shows the original paint after all of the trim and badging were removed. What is obvious are the dirt, paint discoloration, and rust areas that keep the entire surface from being a uniform color. Once most of the paint was stripped off, the car mostly became silver. In 1969, GM had a palladium silver exterior paint color available. With a GM black top and starlight black interior, this color would have looked good on this car. Next, the body became light yellow, which was the color of the auto body compound used for shaping the various panels. In 1969, GM offered a goldenrod yellow and a Mayfair maize, which was a little lighter. The Mayfair maize would have also looked good with a GM black top and starlight black interior. Next, the body became primer gray. This was the first time since it was new that all the paint looked uniform, meaning it had no dirt, paint discoloration, or rust areas to distract your eye. Finally, it became solid white. This is a 2020 Hyundai Pearl White 3-step paint. It has a base, a pearl coat, and a clear coat. It looks great against both the GM bright white top and Warwick blue interior, as well as refinished chrome bumpers. It also matches the existing blue interior very well, so no changes will be required there. This color was chosen as the bright white will attract your eye from the distance, and the pearl will sparkle when up close. When you undertake projects like this, you have the ability to design any colors you wish. Different stages in the projects give you a glimpse of some options. If you want to see the painstaking aspects of this classic restoration, please watch our 6-part detailed series.